Today I'm going to talk to you about a question that every person that makes pallet signs has. The question I'm talking to you about today is, where can I get my wood? I don't want to spend too much money on it. I want it free. The place I got all my pallet wood from is actually my local Lowe's. They were just going to crush it in their machine and weren't going to send it back to anyone. They were just going to throw it out. So in the end, I actually got about 10 pallets. They didn't charge me anything for it, but the guy did say, oh, could you make a pallet sign for us? And in the end, I actually did make a pallet sign for them. It's actually hanging up right by the exit of the store. So every time I go there, I see my pallet sign hanging right there. The guy had me sign it. So now every day that I'm there, I see it and I smile because it's a good feeling when people want your work. I didn't charge them anything for it. They didn't charge me for the wood. I didn't charge them for the sign. I just wanted it there. Maybe people would want some more signs from me, so that's what I did. But to get the wood, besides Lowe's, you can go to like other hardware stores and big box stores. But I would recommend looking on Facebook Marketplace, eBay, going to your local hardware store. A lot of these places will give it away for free, or they'll give you like a small price for it. Like I've seen $1, I've seen $5 for like 10 pallets. Like some people just want a little money off of it if you're gonna take it and they know you're gonna make money off of it, or even if you're just doing it for fun, they still want to make that money sometimes, because who doesn't like making money? So you can do that. I would not recommend big box stores, because a lot of them have these deals where they have to ship their pallets back to the shipping dealers. So I'd recommend Facebook Marketplace and your hardware stores the most, like family-owned hardware stores and all that. I know I did get this from Lowe's, but like I also know like hardware stores, I always see them getting rid of pallets. There is another way you can get pallets, but this one's a little expensive. You can buy a saw stop. It will come with a free pallet, but this pallet will cost you a few $100s. So I don't recommend that way. But I would definitely go to your hardware stores, Marketplace. You can try your big box like Lowe's and Depot. ShopRite sometimes has pallets. But you just have to speak to the right person, know some people, and in the end you will get some free pallets. It may take a little time, but you will get those free pallets or low price pallets somewhere, somehow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Chop that subscribe button, hammer that like button, and mark up the comment section.